If you need to schedule a meeting that happens only once, Calendly makes it incredibly simple. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create a one-off meeting on Calendly, step by step, so you can send a custom booking link without setting up a repeating event. This is perfect for one-time calls, special appointments, quick client meetings, interviews, or any situation where you just need a single meeting slot. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides like this one. Now let's jump right in. First, log into your Calendly account. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the Create button. This is where Calendly lets you set up new scheduling options, and from here, you'll be able to make a one-off meeting instead of a full event type. Go ahead and click Create. Next, select One-Off Meeting from the options that appear. Calendly will then open the setup screen for your single meeting. This is where you'll customize everything for that one specific appointment, including the date, the time, the duration, and the location. Now choose the meeting date. Pick the exact day you want the meeting to happen. This is one of the biggest advantages of a one-off meeting because you're not building a long-term booking page. You're simply creating a meeting for a specific time and purpose. After that, select the available time slot. Calendly will show you the open time options and you can choose the one that works best. Once the date and time are set, move on to the meeting duration. Enter how long the meeting should last, whether that's 15 minutes, 30 minutes, an hour, or any custom length that fits your needs. Getting the duration right is important because it helps avoid scheduling conflicts and makes sure your guest knows exactly how much time is reserved. After that, choose the meeting location. Depending on how you want to meet, you can select a video call link, a phone call, or an in-person location. Make sure the location matches the type of meeting you're hosting because this is what your invitee will see when they book the one-off meeting. At this point, take a moment to review the meeting details carefully. Double-check the date, time, duration, and location to make sure everything is correct. This step is really important, especially if you're sending the link to a client, teammate, or interview candidate. A quick review now can save you from confusion later. When everything looks good, click Create. Calendly will generate your one-off meeting and prepare the booking link for you. Once the meeting is created, copy the link and share it with the person who needs to book that time. They'll be able to open the link, see the available slot, and confirm the meeting without having to browse through your full calendar options. And that's it. You've now created a one-off meeting on Calendly. It only takes a few clicks, but it can save you a lot of time when you need to schedule something quickly and keep it focused on a single event. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.